Hi everyone, welcome back to Pavi's Yarn Diary. In today's video, we will learn how to make a magic ring, a must-known technique for starting round crochet projects like coasters. To begin, hold the yarn tail in your hand and wrap the working yarn around your fingers to form an X shape. Now insert your hook under the first strand and pull the second strand. Gently turn your hook and yarn over once to make a chain. This locks your ring in shape. From here, work the number of stitches required into the ring. I am going to demonstrate with the double crochets. Once your stitches are done, pull the yarn tail to close the ring tightly. And that's it, your magic ring is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crochet basics. Happy crocheting!